Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Killer Beauty and today we are unboxing and reviewing the Stigma Force Wireless PMU machine. Made in Europe and developed using the latest cutting-edge technology, this machine has several unique features which make it a must-have for any PMU artist. So let's get into it. As it is completely wireless, this PMU machine offers artists maximum freedom and manoeuvrability during procedures, and each machine comes with a detachable power pack with a digital display and USB charging port. A single charge can provide 6 to 10 hours of power depending on the needle cartridge and voltage used. The digital display allows artists to adjust voltage and motion control easily and includes 2 voltage presets. This machine also includes a digital boost and give feature, which allows the machine to respond to any resistance and work softer to reduce trauma to the skin. With 3 levels of give to choose from, artists can work on super delicate skin with confidence and create soft, sheer results when desired. This machine features a unique dual drive system with a compact yet powerful Faulhaber brushless motor for extra accuracy and precision. The unique motion control feature of the Stigma Force means that artists can adjust voltage by simply tilting the machine upwards or downwards. To enable the feature, simply hold down the power button while the machine is running and reposition. Pointing the machine upwards can increase voltage up to 11 volts, and pointing downwards can reduce voltage to as low as 4 volts. Any voltage between 4 and 11 can be selected by adjusting the machine and stopping once the desired voltage is reached, as indicated on the digital display. The super slim ergonomic design of the Stigma Force makes it one of the most comfortable PMU machines on the market today. The grip is only 29mm at the widest point, giving artists maximum control, reducing strain on the hand, and making it easy to cover for hygiene purposes. Compatible with all universal style PMU cartridges, you are free to pair this powerful machine with your favourite brand of needles to create flawless results on your clients. This machine is a complete game changer for any PMU artist, and it's easy to see why so many artists want to try it out for themselves. If you want to try the Stigma Force Wireless PMU machine, there's a link in the description below to order from Killer Beauty today. If you have used this incredible machine, please let us know what you think. If you enjoyed our review and unboxing of the Stigma Force Wireless PMU machine, make sure you like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.